What is up, you guys? So in this video I'm gonna be replacing my front lip that I have on my M Sport bumper with a new gloss black lip with a similar style, the K style. As you can see, the one I have on right now that I've had on for the past year now is pretty faded and just doesn't look as good, and it's cracked there as you can see. So yeah, it just doesn't look good anymore. I actually tried painting over it with some black bumper trim paint, and it did restore it like for a couple months, but now it's just gone back to being like this, so I figured it's just time. So this new lip I got from eBay once again, like my current lip I have on right now. But this one was a bit more expensive, so I'm assuming it's better quality, and it was painted gloss black, so it should look a lot better and a lot cleaner, and hopefully it's a bit more firm, not as bendy like most of the cheaper lips are. But yeah, I still have it in the box right here, so I'm gonna show you guys the unboxing and what it looks like. I actually haven't even seen what it looks like yet. It's still like wrapped and everything, so I'm saving that for the video so you guys can see. And then I'm gonna jack up the car, and then we're gonna take off the old lip and then put on the new one, and then see how the new one looks. So yeah, let's get started. Screws and some tape. I don't know if you use the tape, but so this definitely looks a lot cleaner with the gloss black. It's very smooth and shiny. Hopefully it fits well. I don't know how that's gonna be. It also looks a lot more firm and not as like bendy and like flimsy like that one. Flip it over, you can see it looks like it's made out of like fiberglass. Honestly, I'm not sure, but it looks a lot different in terms of the material it's made out of compared to the old one, which just looks like it's made out of plastic. So already it looks like it's a little bit higher quality, so that's good. But as you can see, it's pretty similar in terms of the style to my old one. So yeah, so I positioned it underneath the bumper to see how wide it is, and it looks like it's just about as wide as the bumper, which is exactly what I wanted. You see how on my old one it sticks out? I didn't want that on this one, so as you can see also it's pretty much the same style with the two edges sticking out on either side of the middle section of the lip. It looks like it's the perfect width, so that's great. So right off the bat already I am impressed in every way with this new lip. It already is better in every way than my other old lip. So now I'm gonna jack up the car so I can get more room underneath to take off the old lip. So I have this lip on, or held on, by 4 of these bolts and nuts. There's one here, and then 2 in the middle, and then 1 on the far side over there. And then I got a couple small screws in between the bolts there. The nut is on the inside of the bumper, on the other side, on the top side of this, on the inside. So I'm gonna remove all these, and I'm probably gonna use these same bolts. So yeah. So to remove the old lip and install the new one, I'm gonna be using just an impact driver here, adjustable wrench, and some drill bits, so that I could drill new holes in the new lip. And here's the old lip. As you can see, it's not really in good shape anymore. And there's my car without a lip, which looks really weird. I haven't seen it like that in a long time. Alright, and now we are going to install the new lip. So I used some duct tape to just position it in the spot I wanted at with the help of my grandpa. And I think it looks really good. I like how it doesn't stick out as much on the edges here like the old one did. So now I'm gonna drill some holes and secure this thing. So now the lip is completely installed and we can get a nice look at it. As you can see, it's pretty similar in shape to the old one, so it's not much different there. It is a little bit thinner compared to the old one. This isn't as wide as the other one, so it doesn't stick farther down, but it does have a nice finish, a nice glossy, shiny finish, which is what I wanted. And it's nowhere near as bendy and flimsy as the other one, so that's pretty secured on there. And since it's made of fiberglass, it should be much stronger than just the plastic that was on the other one. This should be able to withstand like a force, just in case I go to like a pothole or something. Unlike my other one. It's funny, my old one, this is actually my third one of these. I've bought this lip 3 times because the first 2 times the first time it fell off because I didn't secure it well, and the second time I ran over like a pothole and then it just broke in half. So this one that I just took off is actually my third one, so that's kind of funny. So hopefully with this new one, this will be my only one for a while now, and it fit perfectly, so that's a plus. I'm actually also planning to replace the side skirts because they are really faded too, and I did also try to paint over them with some bumper trim paint, but it's already starting to fade away, so it's time for some new ones. So look out for a video once I find a new set of side skirts. So there you have it, guys. There's a complete install for this lip. Like I said, I bought this one off eBay for $200 with tax and everything. So it was quite a bit more expensive than my previous lip. You may be wondering why I always buy my parts from eBay. You might have noticed that a lot of my parts are from eBay. It's because like a lot of like the established like car companies or car brands or companies that make aftermarket parts make them really expensive for no reason, especially like parts like for side skirts or lips. When I was looking for some new ones before I found this one, I was seeing the ones from like the car companies that make lips that might be well known, I don't know, but they were selling them for like $300, $400, and I think that's just really outrageous and unnecessary because it's just a lip and it's gonna be like scratching the road every so often. I don't think it's worth spending that much on something that's just gonna get scratched, but that's just my opinion. So I try to find cheaper parts, not the cheapest obviously, because when you go cheap the quality is most likely not that good. So I try to find something in between the cheapest and the most expensive. So yeah, that's why I buy quite a bit of parts from eBay, because I know eBay is known for having like really low quality parts, but I mean there's still some okay quality parts on there, you just have to look. But anyway, if you're interested in this specific lip, I'll link it down in the description below. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to comment down below. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.